I love the mountains. And even more importantly, I love the wild mountains. You know, the wilderness. This is why I'm so excited to share our workshop in the Cirque of the Towers. The Cirque of the Towers in the Wind River Range of Wyoming sits in the middle of the Papagee Wilderness at around 10,000 feet in altitude. There's no easy way in, but we have found a unique ranch that is situated at the eastern foothills of the Wind River Range. Here's where we spend our first night, with an early morning to set off on our journey. The wranglers at the ranch work hard to be certain we are properly fitted and begin to know the horses that they know like family. Once the gear is packed, our moment has come. Time to head off into the Cirque. The ride takes about 8 hours each way, over rocky trails and several river crossings. It's a great feeling to be on a horse riding through such scenic landscapes, and it's always good to stop and take in the scene while they drink up. Sometimes we dismount and walk, just for a change of pace. Finally, as each rider comes into view of the Cirque, it starts to hit. How lucky we are to be up here. The Cirque was carved out by glaciers thousands of years ago. What's left is an alpine meadow filled with tarns, ponds, wildflowers, and Engelmann spruce tree stands, all perfectly arranged to hide our camp within. Waking up from a deep sleep in the thin mountain air from your nylon tent is memorable. On several of the mornings, we'll spend time hiking up a trail to a new location. But on certain mornings, we'll linger around the ponds near camp and let the weather clear. These are the times that allow us to let wilderness sink in.
Pretty good. You like that?
I think it looks really good.
Okay, so I'm going to start there. That histogram looks nice.
The only people you'll see up here are the occasional backpackers. We'll spend our time photographing the area and going over technical and creative choices. At the end of each day, there's a warm fire and good company. There's never enough time, and in spite of a few mosquito bites, we always want to stay longer. Then the wranglers return with the pack horses, and it's time to reconnect with your old friend. Heading back out from the wilderness with your memory cards full and your mind filled with wonderful memories.